Hi friends! Today a board from a Candy clothes dryer was brought in for repair. This is what it looks like. Power is supplied to the board, but it does not work. I checked if there is voltage on the capacitor, and there is none there either. Then I started following the chain from the input to the capacitor, and the first is the resistor, then the diode, and then the inductor. It is the one that burned out. Now I will replace it with another one taken from the monitor board. Then we will check the board. And so I supplied voltage to the board, and let's see the result. As you can see, the board has started. Now I'll try to switch programs. Everything is fine. The board seems to work correctly and properly. Cool guys. Another device is repaired. Now I will slowly show you the board with radio components very close so that you know which element is installed where. This will make it easier for you to repair this board. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe and see you in the next videos. And at the end I will insert a video of the owner checking this clothes dryer.